Hey guys, today I have an unboxing for you guys of the ENACFIRE Future Plus. This is one of the later versions of their truly wireless Bluetooth earphones. The brand ENACFIRE is quite popular on Amazon. I've already done unboxings of two other versions by this brand. The E19s is one of them right here, and the E20, which I had given away. So now I've gotten to the Future Plus, so this is just going to be the unboxing video because I have just received this in the mail. I want to give some time for adequate testing so I can give you guys my unbiased review. So make sure you subscribe to my channel in order to see that. So without further ado, I got the shrink wrap off this thing. It comes with a much nicer box than the previous versions. You can see it right here is the actual charging case with the earbuds out of it so it doesn't drain the battery during transit, which is definitely a good call. Just a quick look around the box on the back. I forgot to show you guys a little earlier. It has a 26 milliamp hour capacity, so it's a pretty decent size, and all that other stuff. IPX5, so it is slightly water resistant. Alright, so let's go ahead and try to get this thing out. The design here is more like the E20s, which I had done a review on. Buttons are nice and tactile, good clickiness to them. You can see the charging ports right there, left and right. Earpieces, see if it's labeled anywhere, which I don't really see right now. You can see the microphone holes though, and also LED indicator lights probably in the other hole. So these obviously can be used to summon your voice assistant, talk to it, and also pick up and drop phone calls and all that. More of that in the full review. Let's go ahead and take a look at what else is in the box. So here's the charging case. Let's remove this little sticky here. ENACFIRE branding very clear. It's one of the bigger charging cases. It's bigger than the E19 because of the bigger battery size. But it's kind of a compromise between the E19 and the E20 because the E20 had a ridiculously large charging case, which I had definitely made my thoughts clear in my review. I think there's no point in having such a big charging case if you can carry a power bank on the side that does more. But anyways, just taking a look at the hinge, it's very solid. There's actually a locking position, which is really handy, so you don't accidentally jam your finger if you're trying to close it. And you see how they would go in place like this. And you can see the three LEDs to indicate charging. And what I do like about this one is that the charging ports are nicely covered, so they can input charging, micro USB, unfortunately not USB-C, and also USB type A for output, which is pretty nice right there. Matte finish all around. Nothing on the bottom to prevent slippage, but that's okay. See the rest of the stuff that comes in the box here. These I assume are the extra ear tips. You only get 3 different sizes. It looks like medium's already on there. Small and large in here. We also have a quality control sticker right here. The micro USB charging cable, short one. This one is a warranty card basically. It's a nice little design. A very thick user manual in multiple languages, as you can see here. And it's, wow, it actually even came with a carrying bag for the carrying case, which is nice. It's one of those snap closures, just like this. No zipper or drawstring or anything like that. And it's kind of a faux leather design material. So that's cool. So let me just go ahead and slip this in here and see how it looks. Nice. So this is definitely one of the more premium ones. I guess that's why it's called the Plus model, the Future Plus. It costs around $60 to $80 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description as usual so you guys can take a look for yourselves. But just from the build and material standpoint, I think everything looks really solid. I'm just going to have it, give it a good listen to check out how the sound quality is, and of course the fit, if the ear tips are sustainable. So then that will of course all be covered in my full review, so definitely don't miss out on that.